supposedly the very tomb of Jesus. So crucified right over there, body prepared 30 feet away, and then here we are approximately 100 feet away where he's buried. And so let me take you to the back. This looks much better than it has for the last 100 years because it was about to collapse. The Israeli Antiquities Authority demanded that this be repaired. And so it had steel I-beams all around it for a long, long time. And finally it's been removed, so it really looks better than it's looked in all the years I came in my early travels to Israel.
Alégrense, ellas se acercaron y abrazaron los pies y se postraron en tierra. Jesús les dijo, id a comunicar a los hermanos que vayan a la región a Galilea.
Now we're going to walk into an area that is often cited as absolute proof that this area was outside the city walls in the first century. Because when we come in here, we see some graves, some shafts. We'll get the light and look at them more closely. And by tradition, it's Joseph of Arimathea and Nicodemus, buried right next to each other in these. I think they would have had a very fancy tomb for Joseph of Arimathea, a rich man. And there are tombs inside the city everywhere. We've already seen some. They're everywhere, but it said, no, the Jews wouldn't allow burial inside the city. So this must have been outside the city so we can know that that is the place of Jesus' crucifixion and burial. I guess. Okay, come on in, Sarah. Here we go. These are called cooking tombs, where the body is just laid in this way. It's considered a tomb that could be first century, and therefore this could not be within the city, it is said. But again, there are tombs within the city everywhere. So it proves nothing. And Joseph of Arimathea was a rich man, and he had a tomb that Jesus used.
Okay.
And of course that supposedly is the one right behind us here, where the structure is. So, okay.